Well, how art thou? Okay, about 40 kilometres in. Another very good run. Let's talk about success. Yep. A lot of us bust our ass to try and create success. But what happens when we don't somewhat hit it or hit the mark we're trying to set? We look at that as failure, which actually isn't true. Now, I'll use running again as an example. If you set out for a 15k run and you hit, say, 10k's, you're going to look at that as a failure. When in actual fact, it's not. But the key when it comes to looking at success is really, of course, looking at success, but is really, sorry, there's traffic. The more you look at the failure, the quicker it gets cemented. And that's where the trap is. Sure, you didn't get what you wanted, that's all right. But the success really does far outweigh the end result. And let's look at it that way. You showed up. Consistency. Preparation. You got your gear ready and you went out. You were courageous to go out and run. A lot of people don't exercise. You maintain self-discipline. You're motivated to try and hit that target. And the more you start focusing on everything around you trying to achieve that goal, you'll find that the success, even if the goal wasn't achieved, far outweighs what you think is failure. Hope some of that makes sense. Because society has a lot to blame for this whole, oh, well, you didn't make it, you failed. Well, externally, you could say it that way. Sure, you set out for 15, you only did 10. When you step back and you break it all down and you have a lot more self-awareness, you will start to notice that you are succeeding more and more each time, even if you're not getting the full result. The result will come over time. Some days it just doesn't work. And it could be lack of sleep, dehydration, whatever. But again, the key is to step back and look at all the components that you put in to try and achieve that goal. And you realize that you are succeeding all the time. All right, I'm a bit lost. So, I hope that makes sense. I like sharing these thoughts. I'll let you folks ask me questions, and I'm always open to listening to your questions. So shoot me a DM if you feel the need, and I'll find my way out of this maze. See ya.